Okay, I'm going to be doing problem 1-2A, number 7. The question says, in the following sequence, the figures are made of cubes that are glued together. If the exposed surface needs to be painted, how many squares will be painted in the 15th figure and the nth figure? So to start out, we're going to start by making a table. So we're going to put 1, 2, and 3 on one side of the table just so we know how many cubes we're going to have and how much of the surface is exposed for each one. By looking, you can tell that the first number will be 6, the next number will be 10 because that's 2 cubes, and then 14. By looking at this table, you can tell that the number is going up by 4 each time. So then to try to figure out this problem, we're going to have to plug it into the equation, and the equation is AN equals A1 plus D and then N minus 1. So we're going to plug that in from our table. So we're going to do AN equals A1 is always the first number in like our table. So it'd be 6. So we would plug 6 in and we do plus. D is the number that it's changing by. So we would do 4 and then we just do N minus 1. And then we're going to have to try to solve this. So we're going to have to distribute the 4 and then you'd get 6 plus 4n minus 4 after you distribute the 4 to the n and the negative 1. And then to try to fully solve this, we will add the 6 to each side, and then we would get AN equals 4n plus 2. So that will be the answer for our nth figure. So nth figure equals AN equals 4n plus 2. And then to try to solve the 15th figure, we would just plug that in to what we already have. So we would just plug in the 15th for the n. So we would do AN equals 4 to the 15 plus 2. So then you would just do 4 times 15 is 60 plus 2. That gives you 62. So the 15th figure would equal 62.